Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to find the HCF using the prime factorization. Usually, when we want to find the highest common factor, we used to list all of the factors for these numbers and then choose the highest common one between them. Well, this might be hard for some numbers and it will take a long time. Today, we're going to learn how to do it easily and fast using the prime factorization. So let's get started by finding the highest common factor, or the greatest common factor, HCF or GCF, both of them means the same thing. Let's get started with prime factorizing 20. So 20 is simply 4 times 5, break down the 4, and there we go, we're done. 20 is 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5. 32 is simply 4 times 8. The 4 I can break it down to 2 2's. The 8 will be 2 times 4, and the 4 will be again 2 2's. So the 32 will be 2 to the power of 5. We have, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 2's. There we go. Again, we circle the common numbers. We have here the 2's, and the lonely numbers, we will put them in the box. Now, usually the LCM, in the previous video we said it will take the greatest among the common numbers, which is 2 to the power of 5 in this case, and it will take the the lonely number, as it is. Well, it is quite the opposite, completely the opposite for the HCF. It will take the lowest between the common numbers, which is in this case 2 to the power of 2, and it will completely ignore the lonely numbers. So the answer in this case is 4, and that's how we do it. Let's take another example. Let's say I want to find the HCF of 12, 20, and 30. Why not? So again, I will have to prime factorize each and single number. So 12 is 4 times 3, which gives me 2 times 2. And finally, 12 is 2 to the power of 2 times 3. Let's do 20. 4 times 5, and each 4 is 2 to the power of 2. There we go. 20 is 2 to the power of 2 times 5. And the last one, 6 times 5, which gives me 2 times 3 times 5. There we go. 30 will be 2 times 3 times 5. Now, here is the tricky part. To circle the common numbers. Among the 3 numbers, we have only the 2's is common between all of them, okay? We don't pick the 5's or the 3's because they are only common between 2 numbers, like the 3 is common between 12 and 30, and the 5 is common between 20 and 30, which is not common between all of them. The HCF must be common for all of them. The LCM doesn't matter in this case. So in this case, among all of the 2's, the HCF will pick the smallest, which is in this case 2. And the lonely numbers will be ignored, and this will be the answer. Taking another example, let's say I want to find the HCF. Let's take big numbers, for example 50 and 60. Why not? So let's get started. 50 is simply 5 times 10, and the 10 is 2 times 5. So the 50 is actually 2 times 5 to the power of 2. The 60 is 10 times 6, and the 10 is 2 times 5. The 6 is 2 times 3. So the 60 is 2 times 3 to the power of 2, times 3 times 5. Let's circle the common numbers, which is in this case the 2's and the 5's. And the 3 is a lonely number, so let's put it in the box. Between the 2's, the HCF will pick the smallest, which is in this case 2. And between the 5's, it's going to pick the smallest, which is also 5. And the 3 will be ignored, so it will be 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. So the HCF in this case is 10. Very good. Now, the last example, and it's a special case, where let's say I have the HCF of, for example, 14 and, for example, 27. Okay, let's prime factorize 14, which is 2 times 7. Okay, 2 times 7. 27, which is 3 times 9, and the 9 is 3 times 3. So I will have 27 is 3 to the power of 3. So as you can see, all of them are lonely. not common. Usually the LCM will take them all, 2 times 3 to the power 3 times 7, and we find it, and we get our answer. Yet the HCF, what we said, it will ignore all of the lonely numbers, so there's nothing. In this case, the answer will be 1. So the highest common factor between two numbers that they don't have anything in common is 1. And that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't forget to put them down in the comments below.